that's kind of how it went. So I wanted to do a big piece, but my tray hadn't come in yet, and I was still itching to do that big piece no matter what. So I decided to do it anyway on my little 28 by 28 table, and I wrestled with that 20 by 20 painting because I'm so not used to painting that big. That's big for me. And I ended up with lots of paint all over the place, dripping off the sides of the table, and luckily none of it got on the rug because I had anticipated that I might have drips, so I put plastic everywhere on the floor. But yep, I made a big old mess, but I did get an awesome painting out of it. I love it. And now I have my nice big tray, and I can do some bigger pieces. I mean, look at this tray. It's about 28 by 30, something like that. And so a 20 by 20 fits very nicely in there. And I'll also be using some of those disposable pads. So hopefully I won't get it too messy. But I'm happy that now I can work bigger. But there were some challenges with this painting. Lots of them. One, the paint was dripping everywhere. And two, I didn't like the effect I got. I was trying for a cloud effect, but it looks so bland to me that then I went and poured some more color on there. I did like kind of a tree ring pour on there, and then I had to find the composition, and I was struggling with that. And so then I finally found the composition. I got it the way I wanted it. I covered it up. I came to check on it, and there was this ladybug rolling around on the painting. And that's that spot there. She had a little party. She rolled herself all around the upper right corner and met her demise in the end. Unfortunately, I could not save her. All in all, I think the painting survived. You let me know. I don't think the ladybug trail detracts too much from the painting itself. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll stop talking now. It's almost 3 minutes of me yapping. I did want to point out that you will be seeing my boyfriend, who is taking some pouring shots for me for my website. So you will see his camera in and out. But I'm so grateful to him because he really did get some gorgeous shots, and I'm hoping to use some of these for my website. Okay, enjoy and subscribe if you like my videos, and leave me a comment. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have, and be sure to click on the bell so you're notified when I post a new video, and like this video if you really dig it.